Good morning, guys. I want to give you a really quick tip this morning on how you can get your own fruit orchard or food forest for very inexpensively. This is a quick little trick that you're going to want to use in your garden. So planting fruit trees can be very expensive. Some of these trees behind me are 15 feet tall and already producing fruit. You can pay anywhere from $80 to $150 for a tree like that at a nursery or online. But people typically plant fruit trees between late fall and early spring. The heat of the summer is not a good time to plant trees. It's too dry, it's too much stress. You have to put in too much extra work to keep them alive. So most nurseries don't sell fruit trees. Well, your little nurseries do, they'll sell you around. But your big box stores that sell fruit trees and your bigger nurseries, especially the ones that supply other nurseries, they'll usually shut down for the summer months and just get ready for the fall when they sell a lot of trees and they get new inventory in. So if you go around June, a lot of times you can get all this stuff on clearance and you can fill your yard up for very inexpensive. So as you can see, the trees behind me, I got these trees on clearance at a nursery, some of them as low as $5 a tree. That's unbelievable. The larger ones that are like 15 foot tall with fruit already on them were like $12.50 a tree. You can't even get a fast food restaurant meal hardly for $12.50. And these trees, like the pear trees, are known to produce hundreds of pounds of food every year for over 100 years. For the price of a fast food meal. I mean, just plant them anywhere you can. Go and get them. But this is a great way to save a lot of money. So we spent about $350-ish and got around 50 trees. That's really good. Another great tip is to find older people in your area that have a good bit of land and ask them if they have native trees. A lot of your older generation people have spent their whole life collecting native fruit-bearing trees and planting them on their property, and as they keep their property clean, those trees reseed, they dig them up, and they're more than willing to give them away for free. I have already planted, a pasture full of trees given to me from my father-in-law. My uncle has some that he wants to give me. Different older people in my family and in the community, and there are things that I have had on my property that I have dug up and shared with others as well. So that's a way you can, by free or by trading, also expand your fruit orchard or your food forest. Sorry, there's mosquitoes. It's Louisiana, it's summer, can't help it. It sucks, literally, but we're good. So there you have it. Hope that helps. Those are my two probably best tips for getting a lot of trees very inexpensively, very quickly. So I have 50 here. I think I've probably gotten that much more in local trees. So you're looking at 100 trees that I've planted or gotten to plant for less than $400. Now, when you're buying these in the summertime, you may have to take care of them for a few months until it's time to actually plant them. If you want to plant them right away, you can. You're just going to have to baby them. Like for us, it is so hot and sometimes it's even dry through July. So it's better for me to just leave them in the pots, water them, take care of them, and then in the fall, go ahead and plant them. So there's a little bit of work put into it, but believe me, it's worth it for the savings that you're gonna get on the long run from it. So go when it's summertime, go when it's hot, go about June and see if they have anything on clearance. Ask your local people, your local older people, because they're going to have a lifetime of collecting behind them, and see if you can get some local free trees and berries to plant on your property.